In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best Bluetooth speakers in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which Bluetooth speakers is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Tribit XSound Bluetooth Speaker. Killer sound, with crystal highs, crisp mids, and abundant bass, XSound Go creates an immersive listening experience unlike any other. Modern bass radiators and also double 8-watt power drivers supply stunning sound without distortion, also at optimal quantity. Severe waterproofing, swimming pool celebrations? Certainly. Relaxing on the coastline? Definitely. Vocal singing in the shower? You bet. This waterproof audio speaker is excellent for all kinds of summertime enjoyable. Sleek and sophisticated, Tribit XSound Go is as elegant as they come. Rounded edges and a matte coating supply a contemporary touch. The portable style maximizes mobility. Surrender a knapsack, stick in your handbag, or carry it around with the affixed band. All the time play, keep the music pumping all day and all night long. The powerful lithium-ion battery ensures up to 24 hours of constant use. You'll be able to enjoy your preferred tracks whenever as well as wherever you please. Wireless link, don't let cords link you down. Costs Bluetooth 5.0 technology effortlessly links to all of your Bluetooth-enabled devices up to 100-foot range. Press and also hold the multifunction switch. Here is the item number 4, JBL Portable Bluetooth Speaker. Audio-To Go, never ever leave incredible audio in your home again. This ultra-portable, water-resistant Bluetooth speaker is tiny in dimension, however with surprisingly huge sound. Clip it on with the built-in carabiner, press play, as well as make the minute pop. Up to 10 hours of play. The JBL Clip 3 includes an integrated rechargeable Li-ion battery with approximately 10 hours of battery life, plus a steel carabiner, so you can easily hook it to your garments, knapsack, or belt loophole. Noise cancelling and wireless streaming. Wirelessly stream high-quality sound from your mobile phone or tablet computer. And also, take crystal clear calls from your audio speaker with the touch of a button, thanks to the noise and echo cancelling speakerphone. Waterproof and durable, no more distressing concerning rainfall or spills. JBL Clip 3 is totally water resistant, you can even immerse it in water. And also, the improved, resilient fabric material and also sturdy rubber housing safeguards it on all of your exterior experiences. The Noise Pledge. JBL has brought songs to life in a. The item number 3, JBL Flip Waterproof Portable. Wirelessly link as much as 2 mobile phones or tablet computers to the speaker, as well as take turns playing impressive stereo audio. Built-in 3000 mAh rechargeable Li-ion battery sustains as much as 12 hours of playtime. IPX7 water resistant means no more worrying regarding rainfall or spills. You can even submerge Flip 4 in water. JBL Link allows you to connect more than 100 JBL attach, making it possible for audio speakers with each other to amplify the event. Double exterior passive radiators show simply how powerful your speaker is. JBL Flip 4 is the next generation in the award-winning Flip series. It is a portable Bluetooth speaker that delivers remarkably effective stereo sound. This portable speaker is powered by a 3000 mAh rechargeable Li-ion battery that offers 12 hours of continuous, top-notch sound play. Sporting sturdy, waterproof textile products that are readily available in 6 vivid shades, Flip 4 is a purpose, all-weather buddy that takes the event everywhere. It also includes a built-in noise and also resembles a terminating speakerphone for crystal clear conference calls, as well as JBL Connect, an innovation that can wirelessly connect greater than 100 JBL Connect, allowing audio speakers together to magnify the listening experience. With a straightforward button press, you can activate and also talk to Siri or Google Now from your JBL Flip 4. Charging time hour 3.5 as well as result power Watt 2x8. Number 2 in our list, DOS SoundBox Touch Portable. Superior noise quality, Appreciate your songs in 12-watt robust stereo recognized with twin high-performance drivers as well as distinct boosted bass. Capacitive touch control. Easy-to-use touch controls enable you to magnify the mood and also the energy of the party. Change tracks, volume, and pair easily with simply a simple touch. Waterproof security. With IPX5 waterproof, DOS SoundBox touch speaker can against water and other fluids mild sprinkle. An excellent selection for summer days, poolside, or coastline events. Maintain the music on your means. Portable and versatile. Take pleasure in HD stereo noise with remarkable volume whether you're relaxing, partying, camping, trekking, or cycling. Prolonged playtime. Integrated Li-ion rechargeable battery powers up to 20 hours of play at 50% quantity. Recharge in 3 to 4 hours with the included mini USB wire. At first look, you might take too lightly the top quality of such a compact speaker. The genuine allure of the DOS SoundBox 12-watt speaker lies in its capability to supply complete noise with significantly deeper bass. Its portability, lasting battery, and metal style make it the perfect sound friend for both indoor and also outdoor. With durable battery life, never ever run out the juice wherever you go. The top one in our list, Anker Soundcore 2 Portable. Amazing noise, 12-watt of pure audio power with enhanced bass thunders from twin neodymium chauffeurs. An innovative electronic signal CPU ensures battering bass and absolutely no distortion at any type of volume. Extreme bass, special bass up modern technology and also a patented spiral bass port boost low-end regularities to make the beat struck also harder. Outdoor proof, IPX7 defense safeguards versus rain, dust, snow, and also spills. Get amazing sound at home, in the yard, or anywhere else possible. 24H non-stop songs, Anker's world-renowned power monitoring modern technology, and a 5,200 mAh Li-ion battery deliver a full day of superb audio. Order, go, listen to the classic layout that has actually been refined as well as lightened, with easily straightforward controls. The Bluetooth speaker with improved audio and also playtime. Brilliant bass. Bring your songs to life with proprietary Anker Bass Up TM innovation. Deeper bass guarantees a vast, well-balanced audio variety. Play throughout the day. 24-hour or 500-song playtime implies you can listen all the time, and all evening also. Audio on the go. IPX7 waterproof ranking, as well as dustproof engineering, indicate. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best Bluetooth speakers amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.